Welcome back to our channel, How to Guide Everybody. How you guys been doing? Hope you guys are doing great. And in this channel we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can screen record an iPhone. So if you guys are seeing this video, then good, because I screen recorded this using the internal software, or like the internal screen recorder provided to me by iPhone. If you guys see a red blinking button at the bottom left corner of my screen, that basically means my screen is recording, and if I hold on it I can get this option called microphone on. So if it is red, it means like when you screen record your audio, which means like me talking, or like in your case you talking, will also be recorded. But if it is not red, it means it's turned off. All right, so that's basically how we guys can screen recording. You can just scroll from the top right corner of your screen. This setting will open up and click on the button. So in my case it's blinking because I'm recording, but in your case if you are not recording, it's not going to blink. It's just going to be the same icon over here as you guys can see, but it's just not going to be blinking and it's going to be white. All right, so you can click on it, your screen will start to record. But if you don't see this button over here on your screen, you need to go on setting to get it over here. All right, how you guys can do that, let me show you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, you go on setting. Once you're on your settings, scroll a bit down and click on control center over here, which is going to be right below general. Once you're on the control center over here, your screen recording is going to be at the bottom. So I've already added over here. So as you guys can see, you can see my screen recording button over here, which is right below camera. All right, so it's over here because I've already added it. So in order for like your recorder to be over here, you need to make it sure it's under the included controls tab, not on the more controls. How you guys can do that is just scroll a bit down and find your screen recorder. Once you see your screen recorder under more control, you need to click on the plus button, which is going to be right beside the screen recorder. Just like accessibility shortcut has a plus button, in your case screen recorder button or like screen recorder option is also going to have a plus button. So click on the plus button right beside the screen recorder icon, and the screen recorder should be moved into the included control panel. Once it's added over here, basically just close your setting and scroll down from the top right corner of your screen where it shows me the Wi-Fi signal. Scroll it down and the screen recorder button should be available over here. All right, that's basically how we guys can add a screen recorder button on your iPhone. Once it's added, just click on it and a countdown from 3 seconds will start. After the 3 seconds, your screen will start to record. So that's how we guys can record screen on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day. Peace out.